In a phenomenon both mesmerizing and unfathomable, mirrors have been reflecting our world for centuries. For centuries, mirrors have been an integral part of our daily lives, not just for vanity, but also for functionality. The earliest known mirrors were made from polished copper, bronze, and silver, with the ancient Egyptians using polished obsidian to create reflective surfaces. However, these ancient mirrors were far from perfect, often producing distorted images due to the material's inherent properties. It wasn't until the Romans developed glass-blowing techniques that more sophisticated mirrors became possible, with the first known Roman glass mirrors dating back to the 1st century BC. But that's not the strangest part. The Romans also used these mirrors to create a sense of grandeur in their architecture, often placing them in grand public spaces. Fast forward to the 19th century, when scientists discovered that the reflective coating on mirrors is actually made up of multiple layers of metal, each carefully crafted to enhance reflectivity. This phenomenon occurs when light hits the metal layers, causing it to bounce back in a process called total internal reflection. But wait, until you hear what comes next. The secret to creating a perfect mirror lies in the precise ratio of metal layers to glass, a feat that requires meticulous engineering. It's like trying to balance a seesaw, where too little metal and the mirror becomes too dark, too much and it becomes too reflective. Scientists have calculated that the ideal ratio is approximately 1:10, where 1 part metal to 10 parts glass. When this ratio is achieved, the mirror becomes almost flawless, with reflections that are crystal clear and distortion-free. However, achieving this perfect balance is no easy feat, requiring a deep understanding of the underlying physics and materials science. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of knowledge, and that's what it takes to craft a high-quality mirror. And then something unexpected happened. The development of laser technology allowed for the creation of ultra-precise metal coatings, revolutionizing the mirror-making process. But that's not the strangest part. These new coatings also opened up new possibilities for applications beyond traditional mirrors. From telescopes to microscopes, the precision of these coatings has enabled scientists to push the boundaries of human knowledge. In fact, researchers have even used these coatings to create ultra-sensitive sensors that can detect the slightest changes in light. The impact of this technology is far-reaching, from medical imaging to space exploration, and has the potential to revolutionize various fields. For centuries, mirrors have been reflecting our world, but with the advent of advanced coatings, we're now reflecting on the very fabric of reality itself. So what does this mean for us? It means that the mirrors we use every day are not just mere reflections, but also windows into the underlying physics of our universe. This phenomenon has been occurring for centuries, and yet it's only now that we're beginning to grasp the full implications. In conclusion, the story of mirrors is one of human ingenuity, perseverance, and a deep understanding of the natural world. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment below.